Okay, we're back one more time, man. If you guys want to scan something, there you go. You just open up this tray. If you want to load in your paper and not your paper, but your printer ink cartridges, they go right inside here in this little dock. Once we turn the power on this bad boy, you'll be able to kind of see that a little bit more clearly. So just want to kind of point that out. It's kind of cool. Like I was saying, it got, you know, doors right here, double doors, double trays, and then it opens up right there. And really, really smooth too, you know. You just kind of press and pull. Press, pull. That's it. Oh yeah.